So guys, today I found this. I don't know what is this.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Oh, just now I found here. Quick.